Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and I'm going to show you how we can put screen protector, the tempered glass, on this device. So let's take it off. And at the first we have to turn off our device. So click and hold power button and the volume button, volume down, click power off. Next we have to open box with our screen protector, and inside we can find tempered glass and also wipes. Okay, right now I got it. So yeah, wet and the dry wipes. We are going to use this one for the first. And of course you have to prepare a good source of light, like in my case, because when you have mess on the screen you have to clean it really good and let the tempered glass stick to your screen well. So let's start with the wet and just make gestures like that in the circle. Okay, next we can move to the dry wipe and just do the same. Okay, and right now just take a look on the screen, and we can find some pieces of the dust, but we can take it off like that. You can also use duct tape or any stickers. You can also use wipe like I did. Okay, let's catch the focus on the screen. And right now we can move to our glass. So let's grab it. Let's take off this foil. Okay, and I can spot right now a few pieces of the dust on the screen, so we have to take it off before applying the screen, the tempered glass I mean, because when we leave something and we'll put the screen on it, we'll get air bubbles. Okay, right now we can try to put this glass on the screen. So put it like that and keep holding the bottom part. Keep holding the bottom part, and we have to put it well in the similar position on the left and the right edge. I think that right now it looks really good. So what we have to do right now, we have to keep holding the bottom part and just press right here. Keep pressing and then put the bottom part. As you can see, it goes automatically. We can press with our finger to make it faster. And what we can do next, we can just use this wipe and clean screen. In the time we can turn on the device. Okay, as you can see, the device is turned on and we can easily use our screen. We don't have any problem with touch interaction. Everything is really good. So yeah, that's how we can install tempered glass on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!